Welcome back. In this video, we see the features and tech specs of MSI Raider A14HX laptop. Model number of the laptop is A14VHG-254IN. Let us see the features. This laptop model comes with Intel Core 14th generation CPU. This CPU has Intel ABT TVB feature. This feature will automatically boost the CPU cores when required. Display is 18-inch ultra high definition plus 4K resolution display. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics, 6 speakers audio system, Cooler Boost 5 system which has 2 fans and 6 pipes, webcam, privacy shutter for privacy, fingerprint reader. CPU of this laptop model is Intel Core i9 14900HX CPU. Base clock speed is 2.2 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 5.8 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost. CPU has 24 cores and 32 threads. 24 cores is 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores with 36 MB L3 cache on the CPU. Chipset is Intel HM770 chipset. GPU is Intel integrated Intel Ultra High Definition graphics based on 14th generation Intel CPU. Also, there is a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card which is capable of doing 542 artificial intelligence trillion operations per second. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 has dedicated 12 GB memory for graphics. As a standard configuration, this laptop model has 32 GB installed RAM. These are DDR5 RAM modules populated in 2 slots out of 4 slots. Storage is aimed out to Gen 4 2 TB SSD drive. There are 2 slots for this laptop model. Display is 18-inch mini LED display. MSI is the first laptop maker to come up with 18-inch mini LED display screen. Resolution is 4K, which is 3840 by 2400 or ultra high definition plus resolution. IPS level panel with mini LED, 100% DCI P3, 120Hz refresh rate. Camera of the laptop is 1080p Full HD infrared camera, can do 30 frames per second recording, 3 DNR plus noise reduction, digital array microphone and manual camera shutter for privacy. For audio, there are 6 speaker system, 2 woofer in the back panel. Sound is by DIN Audio, high resolution audio with Namic 3 audio enhancer. Let us see the ports available. On the left, there is one Kensington security lock slot, 2 USB Type-A Gen 2 10 Gbps speed port, 1 SD card reader slot. On the right, there is one USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 40 Gbps speed port. We can use this port for power delivery and charging. One USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 40 Gbps speed port, one USB Type-A Gen 2 10 Gbps speed port, one headphone earphone mic combo port. In the rear, we have one RJ45 LAN port, one HDMI 2.1 port, one DC in port. RJ45 LAN port supports 2.5 Gbps speed. For network, Intel Killer Wireless LAN card chipset is used, supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 and also wired connection with dedicated RJ45 port which supports 2.5 gigabits per second. For input and keyboard, there is a silky smooth touchpad, RGB backlit. The keyboard is gaming keyboard by Steel series, fingerprint reader for passwordless authentication. Battery of the laptop is 4-cell 99.9 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. Power adapter is 330 Watt AC power adapter. Supported input range is between 100 volt to 240 volt. Output range is 20 volt and 16.5 amps. For security, we get web camera shutter and mic mute key. For physical security, there is also Kensington security lock slot, fingerprint reader and trusted platform module. TPM module is for encryption at the hardware and software layer to make the laptop tamper-proof from any hackers. Operating system of the laptop is Windows 11 Home 64-bit edition. MSI recommends Windows 11 Professional for business. Body is made of aluminum and plastic. Weight of the laptop is 3.6 kilograms. Color of the laptop is core black color. Let us see the upgrade options available for MSI Raider laptop. There are 4 slots for memory. Maximum memory supported is 192 GB, which is very high for any laptop. With the standard configuration, 32 GB is installed, which is 16 GB into 2 memory modules are installed. To upgrade to 192 GB, we have to install 48 GB into 4 DDR5 memory modules. For storage, there are 2 slots. One is Gen 4 M.2 PCIe NVMe slot, and the other slot supports Gen 5 M.2 SSD drive. Maximum 4 TB can be installed with 2 TB in each of the M.2 SSD slots. Warranty for the laptop is 2 years limited warranty. In the box we get MSI Raider 18HX 18-inch laptop, 330 watt AC power adapter, user manual and backpack.